What to do? I'm Wood Dude, and I love power carving and hidden compartments. So in this video, I'm going to combine both my passions into a single project and create a work of carved art that doubles as a way to store my, valuables. Now in the past, I've created a couple different kinds of carvings, like these water ripples that I carved into a drawer front for a nightstand, or this wave design for a dresser. Now I really like this one specifically, so I'm going to do another wave pattern, only better. This time I'm going to stain the whole wave black, and another thing that I'll talk about later in the video. I'm also going to add a hidden drawer on the side that can only be opened if you know the secret. To kick all this off, I grabbed some pine 2x4s from Home Depot and clamped them together. And I just went to town carving. I got really into it. But I just kept carving, and I knew in a few hours we'll have a beautiful piece of art. It took more than a few hours. Let me show you. So I got the body mostly carved out. Size and shape is about where I want it, but I still need to do some of the finer details, but I'm hungry, and I packed PB&J for lunch. Yes. So I'm gonna eat that, and then I'll get back to this. Alright, so maybe I was a bit optimistic with how long this was gonna take. Turns out it took 2 days, around 7 hours to carve and shape this chunk of wood into a wave wonder. And now that I have the final shape, I can sand away the grinder marks to leave a nice and buttery smooth surface. I also glued it all together with a few pieces of acrylic in between the pine planks. Part of the surprise for later. And once everything looked good, we can stain the wave black using some calligraphy ink. But now we turn our attention to the frame, which will be made out of some solid rustic walnut. Now the frame is just going to be your run-of-the-mill mitered box with a few pocket hole plywood pieces to act as middle support. Basic bitch stuff really. And with a pair of push to open drawer slides screwed in. Easy peasy lemon breezy. The drawer box will also be made from walnut with a soft felt bottom. We install the drawer box onto the drawer slides, test out the hidden lock mechanism, glue in the wave art, and screw it in a back piece, and it's done. Oh, hot damn! It came out nice. The hidden lock mechanism for the drawer works sometimes flawlessly. Here's how it works. I created this plywood cutout to show you what's going on the inside. There's a steel dowel pin that travels along a channel that spans from the wall art frame and into the drawer front, stopping the drawer from coming out. I can unlock the drawer using this. Come on, fucking camera, focus. It's a magnet. If I take the magnet and disengage the dowel pin by sliding it away from the drawer front, the pin retracts, allowing me to open the drawer. I've hidden the magnets inside a 3D printed egg. I call it the magnet egg, trademark. Admittedly, the egg shape is hard as shit to hold, but once you have a firm grasp, it's pretty easy. That's so cool. Shut up, nerd. Now there is one last thing I wanted to show you, and here it is. Oh baby, RGB LED lights. The lights really shine through the acrylic pieces and really make the wave pattern go to the next level. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a good day. Peace.